Hi everyone, today we're having a look at page 92 in your Busy at Maths, and we're looking at something that sounds complicated but it isn't really. So we're doing tens and units to 49 again, and they're asking us to complete the grid. So this whole thing is a grid when you've got the columns down and the rows across. So I'll go through the first one with you. Our number is 23. So they've coloured in 2 sticks of 10 for our 20, because that's our tens. You can write your tens and units above to help. So they've coloured in 2 sticks of 10 and 3 units. They haven't coloured in the rest because they only want 23 this time. Now this is the bit that sounds tricky, but it's not really. The expanded form of 23. They want you to just break it up, like in the picture. 20, so two tens is 20, plus 3. So 20 plus 3 is 23. And then over here, they want you to do it with words. 2 tens, so I'll have a look where you wrote the tens and units earlier. 2 tens plus 3 units. So I'm going to go through one more with you, and then I'm going to leave you off to do the rest yourself. So our number here is 18. So what they want us to do is to colour in 18 cubes out of this lot. So let's just see, how many are there all together? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So they want us to colour in 18. So I'm going to change my colour because black is not a good colour for colouring in. You can't see through it. So 18, and again, you could write your tens and units here. This is going tens and units. So 110, so we're going to colour in. And when you colour in 10, you colour the whole lot in. You don't just do a quick scribble. So 10, and I'm just going to change this so you can see through it, and 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Be careful when you're colouring in that you don't go up to the top two. And when we're colouring in, anything to do with tens and units, you always start at the bottom. Okay? So I'll go back to black for my writing. And we're going to do 18. We did 110 and 8 units. Now we're on to the expanded form. So how many tens did we have? We had 10 plus 8 units. And that's the same as 18. And then over here, how many tens did we have? There was 110. And how many units? 8 units. So that's it. Down in these ones, they're trying to really make you think about it. What you need to do is have a look and see. This is the number that you want, okay? So you're going to write 39 over here. And then you're going to do the same, colour in 3 tens and 9 units and expand it here. How many tens, how many units? Actually, I might keep going and just go through this with you. So I'll leave the colouring. You can do that yourselves. You're going to colour in 3 tens and 9 units. So 3 tens and 9 units. 30 plus 9 equals 39. 3 tens and 9 units. And this one, they're after hiding all the information in this box. So it's 2 tens and 5 units. So 2 tens and 5 units. 2 tens and 5 units. I'll leave you do the colouring part yourself. 2 tens and 5 units. So 2 tens If we expand that out, 2 tens is 20, and 5 units, and that will give us 25. Okay, the next one, 46. So we'll do our tens and our units again. So I'll leave you do the colouring. 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 40, plus 6 units. So expand 46 out. 40 plus 6 equals 46. Let's fix that 4. And how many tens? 4 tens and 6 units. And the last one, they haven't filled in any numbers for you, so you're going to have to look for the information in the picture. So how many tens have they filled in? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to write that over here. 3 tens, and that's 30. 10, 20, 30, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. So our number is 37. So when we expand that out, we get 30 plus 7. 30 plus 7 equals 37. So how many tens were there? 3 tens plus 7 units. Okay, so I know expanded form sounds very strange, but when they say expanded form, they just want you, expand means to pull something out, like as if you're stretching a rubber band or an elastic. So you're pulling out the number and saying it in its parts. 23 is 20 plus 3. 18 is 10 plus 8. 39 is 30 plus 9. 25 is 20 plus 5. 46 is 40 plus 6. 37 is 30 plus 7. So that's it. Have a look through it yourself, and you can do all of the colouring bits yourself. Slán go fóill.